and I'm proud of all my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hafiz Armajani and I am the moderator for this session. Today we will discuss word formation, which consists of several subtopics presented by several speakers. Now I would like to invite my partner to introduce themselves.
Hello, my name is Naila Nursapana.
My name is Halimat Sadia.
My name is Nirmala and my name is Rizkia.
My name is Widya Setia Ahmad.
And I, Aniko Mediakweti.
To start our presentation, I will explain the meaning of word formation. Word formation is the process of creating new words from existing words or word roots by adding prefix, suffix, or other linguistic elements. Involves modifying a word to form another word with a different meaning or grammatical function. Word formation also includes methods such as compounding, blending, abbreviation, conversion, and borrowing from other language. Through this process, new words are built, shortened, or combined so that their form and meaning change from the original. Next, we will listen to the second material, compounding, derivation, inflection, which will be delivered by Naila Nursapana. Check it out.
So, here I am. My name is Naila Nursapana. I will explain about formation process. First of all is compounding. Compounding is the process of the combining two or more words to form a new word with a new meaning. Example, toothpaste combined by tooth and paste. Sunflower combined by word sun and flower. The key idea from compounding is the meaning is often not just the literal sum of two words. The next one is derivation. Derivation morphology. Derivation is process of adding affixes to abuse word to create a new word and new meaning, often in a different word class. Affixes in this process is prefix and suffix. Example, happy became happiness and create become a creation because adding the affix. Okay, the idea the derivation usually change the word class or a new lexical meaning. The third is inflection. Inflection morphology. Inflection is the process of changing the form of a word to express grammatical information such as tense, number, person, or comparison without changing the word class and without creating a new meaning. Example, walk become a walk become a past tense. So inflection does not create new word. It only adjusts the form for grammar. That's all that I can explain to you guys. I give it to moderator.
Thank you very much, Naila. Next, we will listen to the third material, coinage and conversion by
My name is Halimat Sadia. The next, coinage. Here is the expanded translation with a dead example for coinage, including proper highlighting of the source language process. Example, Xerox for photocopy, Google for internet searching, Velcro for hook and loop fasteners. Next, conversion. Conversion is the process of changing a word's class without changing its form. Example, butter the bread, empty the box, and bottle the water.
Next, the material, borrowing and blending delivered by Mutma.
My name is Mutmainah. Borrowing is the process of word formation by borrowing or taking vocabulary from other languages. Example, broccoli, I choose and its next, blending is the process of word formation by combining two or more words by removing chanted part of the original words before they are merged into a new word. Example: brunch is a new word from breakfast and lunch. Traveling is a new word from travel, and monologue is all I can say. I'll return it to the moderator.
Next, the material clipping and bag delivered by Nirmala.
My name is Nirmala, and today I will explain the material about clipping and bag formation. Clipping is the word formation process of creating a new word by cutting off a part of an existing word. Clipping is also defined as forming a word that comes from a longer word that has more than one syllable by removing certain part either at the beginning or the end. Example: gasoline, gas, professor, prof, influenza, flu. The next is bag formation. Bag formation is a word formation process created by removing an affix or a part of a word that is interpreted as an affix, resulting in a new base word. Bag formation is also defined as the process of cutting off part of a word that resulting in a change in the word class, then forming the new word. Example: editor noun becomes edit verb by removing the morpheme or. Alright, return it back to the moderator.
Next, the material, acronym, and onomatopoeia will be delivered by Christian.
An acronym is a word formed from the initial letter of several words, and the result is pronounced as a single word, not letter by letter. Characteristic of acronym: number 1, formed from the first letter of word. 2, pronounced as one complete word. 3, common in everyday English. Next, onomatopoeia is a word that imitates natural sounds such as the sound of animals, objects, natural or human action. It is often used on stories, comics, and descriptive writing to make the scan feel more vivid.
Next, the material, types of word formation and example will be delivered by Widi.
I would like to thank the moderator for giving me the opportunity to present the material. Here I will discuss the types of word formation and examples. Like American, edit the word easy becomes American. Example: they want to make the factory modern, and they want to modernize the factory. The second sentence checks because it uses the basis adjective word, namely modern. In the first sentence, the word modern is still an adjective. By changing modern to modernize, Michelle checks to sweet English grammar. Then the second one, adverb formation. Adverb formation or the formation of adverb with the suffix e and d can be added to almost any adjective to form an adverb. Example: his behavior
English grammar. The three non-formation. Non-formation or non-formation, the suffix are meant and action can be added to many verbs to form nouns. That's all I can say. I'll return into the moderator.
Next, the material, adjective formation and opposite will be Ali Kobedi Albaiti.
Thank you, moderator. So, I will explain adjective formation. Number one, suffix ye. Examples: bush becomes bushy. Suffix ic and icial. Examples: atom becomes atomic and biology becomes biological. Suffix less explains pain becomes painless, and suffix able, example, wash becomes washable. Next, opposite or antonyms. Prefix un, non, in, I am, il, and ir can be used from antonyms. Prefix un, happy becomes unhappy. Prefix non, sense becomes nonsense. Prefix in, il, and er. Efficiency becomes inefficiency. Possible becomes impossible. Literate becomes illiterate. Regular becomes regular. And prefix this. Agree becomes disagree. Approve becomes disapprove. And the last prefix de. Insurance becomes disrise. Ascent becomes descent. Okay, I will hand to back the moderator.
That concludes our presentation today. Thank you for your attention. We don't speak English very well until here. I'm happy for the moderator. Thank you very much to all the presenters. I apologize for any mistakes.